What about tomorrow, man? Is it a holiday or working day?
Holiday, sir. Holiday.
क्या बोले? Is it a holiday or working day?
Don't know, sir. Krishnamon sir said nothing.
And physics, sir?
Physics sir got disconnected in between, sir, due to power cut. His class will continue in the evening. In the evening, we will ask.
Evening what time?
By 7 to 8, sir.
Because has he told you that he will continue in the class in the evening today from 7 to 8?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
He got disconnected due to power cut in between the class, sir.
Shall we start or should we wait?
We shall wait for 5 minutes, sir, because 22 only joined.
So once again, quickly recall. Write this formula. Slope of the line theta. Line is passing through ax1 comma y1 ऊपर प्लस आर नीचे माइनस आर इसको P बोलो इसको Q बोलो P is given by x1 plus r cos theta y1 plus r sin theta. Q is given by x1 minus r cos theta y1 minus r sin theta. There is no hard and fast rule. ऊपर positive नीचे negative. It only direction that matters. Direction that matters. Since ऊपर plus लिए यहाँ minus ले रहे हैं, अगर ऊपर minus लिए तो नीचे plus लेना. That's the only thing. Come on, write this. We were discussing problems on this yesterday. Done, man. A line come on. Application of this formula. Application of this formula. Can I clear LHS?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please mute your mic, somebody. Shall I? Line is making what angle? Line is making what angle?
I by 6.
plus 8.
कहाँ मीट कर रहा y1 x1 क्या है जी? x1 क्या है? √3 r हमें पता करना है थीटा 30 cos 30 cos 30
तो 3/2.
y1 2 r पता करना है sin 30
1/2.
ये क्यों कहाँ पे रहता है? मेरे घर पे या आपके घर पे?
On the line, sir. On the line, √3x minus 4y plus 8.
ये क्यों कहाँ पे रहता है? It lies on Q lies on √3x minus 4y. चलो r निकालो. अगर r नेगेटिव आया मतलब क्या है? मतलब क्या है? लाइन ऊपर नहीं है नीचे है.
-2 √3.
r कैन बी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. नेगेटिव आए तो डरना मना है. नेगेटिव आए तो डरना मना है. You should not be scared by looking at r negative. r negative माने लाइन नीचे आ रहा है. But options में he'll give r positive only. What do you will get? √3 into what is your x? √3 plus r √3 by 2. What is your y? 2 plus r by 2. तो चलो क्या आएगा? √3 into √3 3 plus r √3 by 2 into 2 minus 8 minus 2r. Three r by 2 minus 2r. How much one? I'm getting r is equal to 6 man. गलत है? अरे is the answer of mine correct man?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Can you move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Right. Center of a square is at origin.
Yes, sir.
Can I start?
Yes, sir.
Take this. Center of a square is at origin. One vertex is capital
So your screen and audio gone.
Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One vertex of a square is at origin. क्या बोला मैं? हाँ? Center of a square is at origin.
Yes,
One
sir.
vertex
Yes, sir.
is 2, 1. Then its other vertices are dash.
Sir, can you repeat, please?
Sir, please repeat, sir.
Instead of repeating 10 times, I can write on the board. Center of a square is at origin. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
One vertex capital A 2, 1. Other vertices are dash.
Sir, -2, -1, -1, comma 2, and 1, comma -2.
Oh. No man.
Yes, sir.
No, what's the area?
From the center to the vertex, all will be equal.
Aisa square. I want the logic, man.
Sir, from the center to the vertex, sir, everything is equal.
Sir, A is given, sir, so we can apply the r cos theta and r sin theta formula.
In
What is
45 degrees, sir.
Yes, sir.
1, 2? Sorry, 2, 1. बच्चे लोग, what is OLN?
Oh,
बच्चे लोग
root
OLN
5. Root 5, sir.
same as
OB, OC, OD. And angle is 45 degrees, sir, with x-axis.
y 45 कौन है वो?
Yes, sir, 45 only, sir.
1/2 man.
Sir, I'm saying axis.
हाँ
With x-axis, sir, 45 degree it will come now, sir.
हाँ कौन सा 45? कहाँ का 45? कौन से दुनिया में 45? अगर ये 1
Sir,
का मतलब है तो 45.
if we assume that OA is making angle alpha with x-axis, then we will get r cos alpha is equal to and r sin alpha equals 1.
The tan theta, sir.
Wait man. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Draw a right angle triangle. Theta 1, 2. What is this length?
Root 5.
5. Hello. Sorry. This is root 5. This is also root 5. How do you get C now? Y1. Correct है?
Yes, sir.
What is your x1 comma y1? शून्य कमा शून्य r root 5 cos theta 2 by root 5. So what is your C? R is बोलो root 5
Root 5, sir.
cos theta
2 by root 5.
0 r root 5 sin theta.
1 by 2. 1 by root 5.
So what does it gives you?
Minus 2 comma minus 1.
Oh. How are diagonals of a square?
Equal.
Equal.
कौन है वो? And also how are they? Equal.
Bisect each other.
Diagonals of a square
Perpendicular.
perpendicular. So what is slope of OB? Slope of BD. OA का slope is 1 by 2.
Minus 2.
Slope of BD.
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
इस slope को क्या बोलेंगे? Tan theta. Tan theta minus 2. माने theta is
Obtuse.
where will theta lie between pi by 2 and pi? Again right angle triangle. Theta. This is 2, this is 1, this is what? Root 5. Remember, length is root 5. So how do you get B? X1, Y1. Theta is obtuse. Therefore, what's the conclusion? Cos theta negative. Sin
Negative. Sin theta positive.
X1 0. R is root 5. Cos theta negative.
Minus 1 by root 5.
Y1 0. R root 5. Sin theta.
2 by root 5. Sir,
बोलो.
I am not understanding. D is downwards na, sir. So we should take x1 minus or cos theta na, sir.
कौन सा डाउन कौन सा अप? डाउन माइनस ही लिया मैं. ये ऊपर जा रहा, ये नीचे आ रहा.
Yes.
मैं वही लिया.
Yes, yes.
What is D? X1, Y1. What is your cos theta? Minus 1 by root 5. Sin theta 2 by root 5. R root 5. Come on, give me D.
Sir,
Uh,
I have a doubt in a question, sir. Can you please explain me how to do that?
what is that?
Sir, in the Cengage book, sir, there was given an example. Find the distance of the point 1, 3 from the line 2x minus 3y plus 9 measured along line x minus y plus 1.
You measure along that line. Mane, you should take the slope of the line. Theta लेके करना.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Read the problem. Abrar, read the problem. Abrar, whatever doubt you raised, read the problem once again.
Find the distance of the point 1, 3 from the line 2x minus 3y plus 9 equals 0 measured along a line x minus y plus 1.
You will do a similar problem.
Yes, sir.
Write this. On popular, I will not say on popular demand. I will say on Abrar's demand. On Abrar's demand. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One needs.
Sir, right side not.
Yes, sir.
What are D coordinates? बच्चे लोग D coordinates. बोलो जी.
-1 common.
-1, 2, sir.
Minus
Sir,
one comma two.
B's coordinate is 1 comma -2.
Comma,
comma
comma.
हाँ. Come on. I wrote one problem. Solve it.
Bro, help, bro. Help, bro, help.
Smile, please mute your mic.
The quota. Number 2. Come on, bro. Bro, come on. Thanks, bro. Thanks. Help. No, bro. Next teammate, bro. Don't revive, bro. Kill him, bro. He'll kill us, bro.
Look here. Pay attention. Please understand this logic in the problem. All of you. Look here. If it is 2 comma say x minus 2y plus 7 को distance, then it would be shortest distance. What is the distance?
Perpendicular distance.
What distance would be perpendicular distance? What is that perpendicular distance? Modulus of 2 minus 2 into 3 plus 7 by under root of 1 square.
2 square.
Somebody mute your mic. Who is that?
Excuse me, sir. How can we say it is perpendicular distance?
From a point to a line, what is the shortest distance, man?
Perpendicular distance.
तो वही बोला ना मैं.
Yes, sir.
What will you get? 7 plus 2, 9, 9 minus 6, 3 by root 5. But remember, problem में is he asking that? No. Understand the problem. This is the line. This is the point. Or I'll put it this way. This is the line. What is the line? X minus 2y. What's the point? 2 comma 3. Is he asking distance between these two? No. He's asking distance. What distance is asking? Something like this. This distance is asking. This distance is measured along what line? X plus y is equals to 1. This is my line. X plus y is equal to 1. You are asked to measure distance along with this line. I think you understood difference between these two.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. That second one I didn't understand, sir.
This, you are asked to measure the distance along with this line called x plus y is equals to 1. Let this distance be r.
Sir, so that it means that we should measure in a parallel way.
Which one?
So that it means that we should measure in a parallel to that line, sir.
What is the slope of this line?
1.
Minus 1.
Minus.
Slope of this line. What is the slope of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0?
Minus a by b.
Minus a by b.
So, slope of minus 1. No. Line is passing through 2 comma 3. Distance is r. So I will call this point as some p. What is my p is equal to p given by y1 plus r sin theta. Slope minus 1. What do you mean by slope minus 1? चलो tan theta
Theta
minus
obtuse.
1.
Theta is
Theta is
135.
obtuse. Right angle triangle. Theta 1 root 2. What is cos theta बच्चे लोग? And what is sin theta?
By root 2.
1 by root 2.
1/. So what is my P now? x1 2 R पता करना है. y1
1, 3.
1. हाँ y1
3
3
sir.
man.
3 sir.
1. R is R. Two minus R by root 2 comma. Where will this P lie?
X minus 2y plus 7.
Substitute, you will get R. Come on.
Yes sir. Sir, one boy got disconnected from our class, sir. He's asking to open the meeting.
But say there is somebody called some Ismail, roll number 35.
Sir, roll number 35.
Sir, from our class only, sir.
Sir, roll number 18, sir. Ismail, roll number 18.
35 is mine roll number, sir.
Aija
But
Hassan message, sir. Aija Hassan.
somebody with roll number 35 was making lot of noise when I asked. When you all asked him to keep quiet also, he was not keeping quiet. Who is that?
Sir, that's fine, sir. Our class only.
Some roll number 35, Ismail, something.
Roll number 35 is mine, sir.
Roll number 18, sir. He kept roll number 18.
R equal to
So I
root
should
2.
unlock the meeting. When I log. Now what's the value of R?
Root 2.
I'm leaving calculation part. आंसर आया ना सबको?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
I have to dictate the problem. Ready?
1 minute.
Start करूं?
Yes, sir.
Zahiruddin Adnan, start करूं?
Yes, sir.
देखो, distance between two parallel lines is unity. Distance between two parallel lines is unity. Full stop. One of the lines is x-axis. One of the lines is x-axis. Full stop. Point P lies between the lines. Point P lies between the lines and is at a distance of point P lies between the lines and is at a distance of A units from one of them. Full stop. An equilateral triangle PQR is constructed. An equilateral triangle PQR is constructed such that Q and R lie on the parallel lines. An equilateral triangle PQR is constructed such that Q and R lie on the parallel lines. Then length of the side of the equilateral triangle is dash. Zahiruddin Adnan,
Yes, sir.
जरा एक बार प्रॉब्लम पढ़ो जी.
Distance between two parallel lines is unity. One of the lines is x-axis.
जरा हल्लू पढ़ो जी. हाँ.
One of the lines is x-axis. Point P lies between the lines and is at a distance of a unit from one of them. An equilateral triangle PQR is constructed such that Q and R lie on the parallel lines. Then length of the side of the equilateral triangle is dash.
शाबाश. Thank you. मैं हिंट दे रहा हूं. One of the top problems of this chapter called straight lines. Straight lines का absolutely बढ़िया problem. One of the lines is x-axis. दिख रहा है. Origin को Q बना दूंगा. X-axis, y-axis. What is this line, man? Y is equal to 1. What's the distance between these two? One unit. There is a point P. This is P. This is Q. This is R. Agreed? This P is at what distance? This P is at what
A.
distance? A.
A.
Let the length of the side of the triangle be alpha. Or what shall we call side of the triangle? अल्फा बोलेंगे
S.
एस करते चलो एस ही ले लेंगे एस एस हेलो let this angle be theta. What are the coordinates of P? बच्चों लोग what are the coordinates of P? Angle is theta. Origin से what are the coordinates of P?
S cos theta,
S sin theta,
S sin theta.
S cos theta.
S cos theta comma S sin theta. बच्चों लोग वो बच्चों लोग वो बच्चों लोग this distance is A. What does this distance stands for? Point का x coordinate और y coordinate?
Y.
Y.
Y coordinate माने x sin theta. So what is your sin theta बच्चों लोग? Hello, what is this angle?
60.
60. Total angle
60 plus theta.
60 plus theta. What are the coordinates of R? Coordinates of R. Parametric equations. Coordinates of R. Bolo. I'm
R
waiting.
plus
R.
X1.
S. Cos. Correct है? S.
Yes, sir.
Sin. Theta. Plus 60. What's the distance between the lines? Distance between the lines. 1 unit. Point का x coordinate और y coordinate.
Y coordinate.
Y coordinate.
So S sino theta plus 60 is how much, man? 1. Come on, use these two. Give me S. I'm waiting for anybody who will complete the calculation part.
Sir,
Bolo.
I didn't understand how did you take R as S cos theta plus 60 and S sin theta plus 60.
Parametric equations man x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. Your x1 comma y1 is 0 comma 0. What is your r?
Yes, sir, yes, yes. Got it.
समझ गए?
Yes, sir.
Good boy. चलो अरे दो इक्वेशन सॉल्व करने नहीं आ रहा? क्या है मुन्ना, क्या है राजा, मैं कहा जाऊं? नन फ्रॉम द क्लास।
1 minute, sir.
किसमें कितना है दम?
Sir, S equal to root over 2 minus a whole square by 3 plus a square.
फिर से बोलो। S is equal to
Under root over 2 minus a whole square by 3 plus a square.
पूरा सिंप्लीफाई करके बोलो जी। मैं सिंप्लीफिकेशन मैं कर लूं, ये अच्छा जबरदस्ती है। Send your notes, I'll simplify and tell the answer.
Sir, S equal to 2 into root over 1 minus a plus a square by 3.
ये उसकी सुने आंसर का है।
Sir,
This answer seems to be previously heard. Wait man, I'm just searching the book for the answer. Answer is 2 by root 3 into root over a square minus a plus 1.
yes sir. Got sir.
तो चलो मैच करो, क्या करूंगा फिर? What is sin of 60 plus theta? 1 by s. Am I correct? Sin theta cos theta 1 by s. Sin theta I know, no problem. Cos 60 I know, no problem. Do we know cos theta? So how do you write cos theta? Under
Over
root
S square
1
minus.
sin square theta into sin 60 is equal to 1 by s. तो चलो करेक्ट है।
Yes, sir.
Now what is sin theta? Cos 60. Sorry. Cos 60 1 by 2 sin theta a square by s square sin 60 1 by s a by 2s plus LCM ले लो, what will I get? Under root 1 minus a square into root 3 denominator 2s. तो चलो करेक्ट है, सॉरी s square minus a square. तो चलो करेक्ट है।
Yes, sir.
What I can cancel off throughout?
Yes.
LCM ले लो, a plus root 3 into root over. करेक्ट है?
Yes, sir.
Root 3 into root over. Cross multiply, square on both
Square on
sides.
both sides.
3 into s square minus a square. Right hand side one. सॉरी 2 का स्क्वायर 4 प्लस a स्क्वायर माइनस 4a। हमको क्या चाहिए? s चाहिए ना। So what is 3s square equal to? Minus 3a square that side plus 3a square. So 4a square minus 4a plus 4. Am I correct? 4 common, 3 denominator. S mane square root. So what does it gives you? Under root of कोई शक?
No, sir.
कोई शक?
No, sir.
One of beautiful problems of straight lines. Advanced question. Can I start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Jasim hai? Who said 1 minute, sir? Now?
Nice.
For a long time, and I did not see you I did not see and talk to you long time. Tomorrow we'll have a chat before the class. Okay?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Please unmute
Okay,
your videos also, so that let me see your face.
Okay, sir.
बहुत दिन हो गया अपन बात कर लेके।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
क्या लॉकडाउन हो कि क्या कोरोना है?
Sir, tomorrow class at 4:30.
Pardon me?
Tomorrow, Friday.
Sir, tomorrow is class.
Tomorrow, when I asked seniors, your senior said, "Sir, we lost 2-3 दिन holidays आ गए ना already. We'll have a class from after the prayers. We'll be free, sir. We'll have classes." बोले seniors तो मेरे को.
Yes, sir.
They said not before the prayer, sir. We can have classes after the prayers. Therefore,
Wait,
I
sir,
told
that's
them, wait,
wait.
let me complete. I told them ki I will take a class from 2:30 to 4. They all said yes. Even for you, if you are willing, if you don't want a holiday, we'll have a class from 4 to 5, take 1 hour. Agar if you
Okay,
want
sir.
a holiday, you take a holiday. What I will use?
No, sir, no holiday.
Take class, sir.
Take class, sir.
Yes, sir.
Even I don't want a holiday, man. When I asked senior said, "Sir, we don't want holiday. Already we got 4 days, enough of holidays. Prayers हम लोग prayers के बाद free रहते sir. We can have class after the prayer, sir. You take a class from 2:30 करके they told me." Then I said, "Okay, yes, well and good." And I said, "I'll take a class from 2:30 to 4. For you, if you want, we will not take for longer time. I can take a class from 4 to 5, provided you are willing. If you
Yes,
say
sir, we are
something
willing,
on
sir.
holiday, you take holiday."
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do all of you agree for a 4 to 5 class?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Again, you come up and say, no, this, that, and all such stuff. If you are willing on your agreement only, or the timing also, if you agree, then 4 to 5. If not, take a holiday. Write this.
Sir, if tomorrow Krishnavansh's class is not there, you can take by that time also, sir.
Did Krishnamohan sir say that he
There,
won't take the class tomorrow?
Don't know, sir.
sir, it will be there.
You confirm it there. You confirm first month.
Okay, sir.
A line through previous JEE advanced question. Write this. A line through capital A -5 -4 previous JEE advanced question. A line through capital A -5 -4 meets each of the lines x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0, comma 2x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0, comma x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. A line through capital A -5 -4 meets each of the lines x plus 3y plus 2 at B, C, D respectively, such that 15 by AB whole square plus 10 by AC whole square is equals to 6 by AD whole square. Then equation to the line is dash. Another super problem. Pay attention. Do not write. Listen to this. इसको L1 नाम देंगे, इसको L2 देंगे, इसको L3 देंगे. Hopefully whole class is looking at their screens. This is a previous JEE advanced question. Please pay attention. Line कहाँ से जा रहा?
-5, -4.
जा रहा. It is passing through A -5, -4. Slope नहीं मालूम. This is x-axis. Angle theta. It is meeting the lines. L1 को meet कर रहा, L2 को meet कर रहा. Sorry. This is L1. This is L2. This is L2. At what points it is meeting? It is meeting at points called bolo B, C, D. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am moving forward. What are the coordinates of B?
-5 cos theta, comma.
-5. Your distance is AB. AB cos theta, comma. Agreed? -4 plus AB sin. Why I am not using R? Understand the logic. Why I am not using R? Problem में AB, AC, AD use कराओ. Please understand. Why I did not use R? Because problem में he says AB, AC, AD. So same notation I am using. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm moving ahead. Where will this lie? Since B lies on L1 implies B को ले लो L1 में फेंको क्या आएगा -5 प्लस AB cos theta बोलो जी 3 into multiply this by 3 -12 plus 3AB sin theta plus 2 is equal to 0. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
-5 -12 -17 plus 2 -15 the other side 15 AB cos theta plus AB sin theta is equal to 15. AB common. I think I missed something. I think this is 3AB. Am I correct? 3AB. So cos theta plus 3 sin theta is equal to 15. हमको का चाहिए हमको का चाहिए हमको का चाहिए हमको का चाहिए
15 by AB
का
whole.
जरूरत है हमको का जरूरत है हमको
15 by AB.
जरूरत है हमको 15 by AB का जरूरत है we require 15 by AB. What do I do like that? 15 bring it to the denominator by AB is equal to what? What is 15 by AB, man? Can anybody tell me what will be 10 by AC? What is your observation in 15 by AB? 15 by AB is cos theta plus 3 sin theta. So what will be your 10 by AC?
2 cos theta
2
plus
cos
sin
theta
theta.
plus sin theta.
What is 6 by AD?
Cos theta minus sin.
Cos theta
Minus
minus
sin
sin
theta.
theta.
Once again, 15 by AB, what we obtained? What is 15 by AB?
Cos theta
Cos theta
plus
plus
3
3
sin
sin
theta.
theta.
What is 10 by AC?
2 cos theta
Cos
plus
theta
sin theta.
plus
Sin theta.
What is 6 by AD?
Sin
cos
theta
theta minus
cos
sin
theta
theta.
minus sin theta.
This is the beautiful trick in the problem. Student who understands this need not do write the coordinates of C. C lies on L2. Write the coordinates of D. D lies on L3. वो सब करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Waste of time and energy. Student should understand this logic. I'm moving ahead. Similarly, बोलो बच्चे लोग, what is 10 by AC? 2 cos theta plus sin theta.
Sin theta.
6 by AD,
Cos theta minus sin theta.
implies I'm substituting in this. क्या आएगा? Cos theta plus 3 sin theta whole square. बोलो जी. 2 cos theta plus sin theta whole square. Cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Simplify करो. Tan theta लाओ. Tan theta will be slope. Slope आ गया. Line equation आ जाएगा. जल्दी फटाफट. Remaining part of calculation you will do. Finish it off.
tan theta equal to -8/5.
हमको नहीं पता, आंसर बोलो। हमको आंसर चाहिए।
Five x plus 8y plus 57 equal to 0.
लंबा आंसर नहीं देखा मैं कभी। वेट आई लेट यू नो। शोएब कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक करे जी। आंसर इज 2x plus 3y plus 22 equal to 0. tan theta minus 2/3 है। हेलो, क्या हुआ?
Sir, 3x plus 2y plus 22 equal to 0.
बाकी के लोग कर रहे हो?
Yes, sir. Doing, sir.
cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta plus 326 करना है।
Yes, sir.
6 sin theta cos theta 4 cos square theta sin square theta कितना आएगा? 4
Plus
sin
cosine theta cos theta.
cos square theta sin square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta। बच्चों लोग कितने cos square theta से?
I.
एक तो गयो, ठाकुर तो गयो, ये भी गयो, कितने बच गए? 4 cos square theta
9.
9 sin square theta कितने sin theta cos theta?
12.
12 sin theta cos theta is equal to शून्य।
Sir, 1, sir.
1/1.
No, sir. Nothing. Nothing, sir.
What is that? 2 cos theta 3 sin theta whole square is equal to 0, correct है?
Yes, sir.
Will give you 2 cos theta plus 3 sin theta is equal to 0. 3 sin theta equal to minus 2 cos theta. Cos theta नीचे लेके आओ, so sin theta by cos theta is minus 2/3. So tan theta is minus 2/3. Slope of the line y minus y1, slope x minus x1, 2x plus 3y plus 22 V's is equal to 0. correct है?
Excuse, sir, this equation 2x plus 3y plus 22 is the equation for line on which points ABC are present.
A, B, C, D are present.
Yes, sir.
They are always present. They are never absent. Can I move it?
Yes, sir.
Shall we?
Yes,
So,
sir.
kal almost all yesterday same time I started. In fact, half an hour. 2 hours we discussed around 8 to 9 problems, and all the problems so far I have done are on x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. Please just imagine its importance in geometry, both first year and second year. This formula is extensively used and its applications are very, very important. Next, chalo. अब enough of x1 plus r cos theta. We shall move ahead. A line passing through capital A comma B. A line passing through capital A comma B.
Hello.
A line passing through capital A comma B. Lying in first quadrant with a negative slope needs coordinate axis with a negative slope needs coordinate axis at P and Q respectively. At P and Q respectively. Done. If O is origin, then first question, OP plus OQ minimum is dash. Second question, delta OPQ. Delta stands for area. What is delta OPQ minimum is dash? Minimum area of triangle OPQ is dash. बच्चों लोग common sense. Line is passing through A comma B. ऐसा ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. As you keep on slanting the line, will the area increases or decreases?
Decreases.
बोलो मैम. It is fixed. As you keep on slanting the line, will the area which it forms with the coordinate axis, will the area increases or decreases?
Increases.
That's the reason why he is asking minimum. That's the first point. Logically, students should think this way. Why he is asking only minimum? Maximum क्यों नहीं पूछ रहा है? Maximum नहीं पूछ सकते. Look here, ऐसा है line. Does it form any triangle with axis? No. थोड़ा slant करो. Where it will meet? Somewhere after 10 kilometers it will meet. 20 kilometers it will meet. 30, 40. Area keeps on increasing. Hence, can you find out maximum area?
No.
This logic student has to understand first. Now, look here. लाइन कहां से जा रहा? कैपिटल ए. Line is passing through capital A, comma B. Negative slope. This angle is obtuse. Meeting the axis at P and Q. O is origin. बच्चे लोग सुन रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
From A, I'll draw perpendiculars. Let this angle be theta. What sort of angle theta will be? क्योंकि this obtuse angle, so this will be acute angle. PQ. I'll call this as R. I'll call this as S. मैंने A से परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप किया. मैंने A से परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप किया. तो वो R का डिस्टेंस क्या होगा बच्चे लोग?
A,
AR का डिस्टेंस क्या होगा?
B, B.
No. How are lines OP and AS? Zahiruddin Adnan. How are lines OP and SA? Parallel. वो जो लाइन कट रहा है उस लाइन को क्या कहते हैं? Transversal. So if this angle is theta, what is this angle one?
Theta.
Theta. Now, in triangle ARP, what is tan theta? बोलो man. B by RP. What is RP is equals to? कोई शक?
No, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
मैं आगे बढ़ रहा हूं, बढ़ गया. इन ट्रायंगल, कौन सा वाला ट्रायंगल जी? QSA. What is tan theta? QS by SA.
A.
Or
Yes,
why
sir.
one more step?
A.
So what is your QS?
A tan theta.
Tan theta.
What is OP?
R.
A plus RP Correct?
Yes, sir.
A plus B cot theta. What is OQ? B plus QS D plus A tan theta. I'm answering. First question. What is OP plus OQ? बोलो man.
A plus
The 1 plus tan
B
theta.
plus A plus B plus A tan theta plus B cot theta. Can anybody tell me what I should do after this? Where is the point lying? Follow man.
Quadrant.
first quadrant.
So A positive, B positive. Theta is acute. So tan theta positive, cot theta positive. मैंने हिंट दे दिया, आंसर बोलो. मैंने हिंट दे दिया, आंसर बोलो. मैंने हिंट
Tan
दे
theta
दिया,
we should take minimum.
आंसर बोलो. मैंने हिंट दे दिया, आंसर बोलो. मैंने हिंट दे दिया, आंसर बोलो. मैंने हिंट दे दिया, आंसर
A
बोलो.
plus B.
What man? You should apply A and GM. They are all positive. Since A tan theta, comma B cot theta are both positive, comma by AM, GM. What do we have? A
A
tan
tan
theta
theta plus B
plus
cot
B
theta
cot
by
theta
2.
by 2 greater than or equal to under root of
A
A
tan
tan
theta
theta.
into B cot theta.
Tan theta, cot theta will cancel out.
Cancel.
So A tan theta plus B cot theta greater than or equal to under root of
AB.
Therefore, OP plus OQ is greater than or equal to A plus B plus 2 root AB. OP plus OQ greater than or equal to, what is this? Root A
Plus
plus
root B whole
B.
square.
So what is OP plus OQ ka minimum is what? Root A plus root B. सेकंड क्वेश्चन आप लोग करेंगे, मैं देखूंगा. सेम मेथड. सेकंड पार्ट ओपी यू नो, ओक्यू यू नो. व्हाट इज अ ट्रायंगल? व्हाट इज डेल्टा ओपीक्यू? हाफ base into height. What's the base?
OP.
Height.
OQ.
Start. One of the best, brilliant, super top problems of straight lines. That equilateral triangle problem, length of the side, then the previous advanced question and this problem. Very, very, very important for competitive exams. So tomorrow, what time class?
4 to 5.
4 to 5. All of you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay then, tomorrow we'll have class from 4 to 5. Copy this first, do the second question. Chalo. What if they declare holiday?
So then, if they declare holiday tomorrow, we can take 2 hours or 2.5 hours by Saturday, sir. And moreover, we will not be having chemistry classes on Saturday.
Anyhow, if tomorrow is a holiday, then it's a holiday. If it is not, if they declare any holiday, it's holiday. If they don't declare holiday, then the class will be from 4 to 5. चलो चलो
Sir, area of triangle minimum is 5AB.
नो मैन 2ab मिस्टेक अगेन शोएब जल्दबाजी में गलतियां बहुत कर ले रहे अवॉइड मिस्टेक्स
Yes, sir. 2AB, 2AB.
टू ए बी सर.
Done, sir.
चलो क्या हुआ सेकंड वन करें
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir. टू ए बी.
कैन आई क्लियर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड
1 minute sir.
और ऊपर पार्ट डायग्राम
Yes sir.
कैन आई क्लियर दिस पार्ट
Yes sir.
so half into OP is A plus B cot theta OQ is B plus A tan theta am I correct so half into AB plus AB plus next term A square tan theta B square cot theta plus AB tan theta cot theta am I correct
Yes sir.
delta OPQ is equals to half of this is these two will cancel off so 2AB plus A square tan theta B square cot theta am I correct since A square tan theta under root of A square tan theta am I correct tell me man
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
delta OPQ greater than or equal to half of 2AB plus 2AB delta OPQ greater than or equal to 4AB by 2AB. So delta OPQ का minimum is agreed. Zahiruddin Adnan
Yes,
समझ
sir.
गए?
Agreed.
समझ गए?
Yes, sir.
कोई शक?
No, sir.
शाबाश. चलो. Tomorrow, if they declare holiday, we cannot do anything. If it is a working day, because I think we shall meet at 4 o'clock. 4 to 5. From day after tomorrow, our usual time after chemistry class. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Only on Friday, this is, or this Friday, 4 to 5.
Yes, sir.
You can leave. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.